Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today, I've told you earlier in today's newspaper on Friday, January the 14th, 2022, we have only two regular Sudokus, the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku, so no additional. So I've decided to finish the additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, Thursday, January 13th, 2022. We have four puzzles left: the one star, the two stars, the tectonic, and the binary. Yes, four puzzles to go. First one I will solve is a one star uh, Sudoku, and this will be number 3980. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, that's my time limit. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. How about the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Four missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. Here 9, no 9 in that box. Here 9, no 9 in this box. So one box left for the 9 in the last row should be there. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. Okay. Then. How about? Hmm. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. Right. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. The 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. The 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. The column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. Okay. 1 number left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 2. I need more information. Alright. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5? No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Yeah. Well, in the first column, we have 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the second row. So no 7 and a 5 in this box. We have a 7 and a 5 in that this row. So no 7 and a 5 in that box. So now we have 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Okay, so what are the other 2 numbers then in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Let me see. 1 and a 3. No. Well, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Well, in these two boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in this row. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 8. 3 and the 8. 1 box left in the first column. Told you we had a 1 and the 3. So this box should be a 3. Okay. And then this should be also 3 and 8. These two should be the 7 and 8. Okay, cannot fill this yet. How about these two missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Again, 3 and the 8. 1, 3 here, also 1, 3 and 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 1 and 8 in this row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 3 in one of those two boxes. In the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So the row between the second row. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 6. So now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers. I believe the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Done. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Because here we have a pair. There we have a pair. Okay. 3 and 8. 3, 2 missing numbers, 3 and the 8 in the third column. Well, now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 7 and a 5, still 7 and a 5, okay. Alright. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, yeah, definitely 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.